Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Aiman bin Muhammad Azami and I'm from 5X BME1. Alright, for this assignment, I have chosen on the topic of impact of AI technology in the aviation industry. Alright, first of all, AI stands for artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is the ability of a computer or robot to perform tasks commonly associated with intelligent beings. The term can be applied to all projects which develop a computer or robotic system with the intellectual characteristic of humans, such as the ability to understand, learning, reasoning, planning, critical thinking, and problem solving. The aviation industry has gained lots of accomplishment thanks to the advancement of AI technology. The use of AI technology contributed significantly uh, to aviation industry, making air travel safer and efficient. Right. The history of artificial intelligence in the aviation industry can be seen on the introduction of the jet engine into the aviation in the 1950s, and followed by the introduction of the fly-by-wire technology into the Airbus A320 in the 80s. Other than that, it is also being used in air traffic management, air traffic control, and flight management system. In air traffic management and control, AI is being used in doing tasks like flight planning, flow management, safety assessment, and also other tasks that can be automated. And for flight management system, AI are used in monitoring aircraft and also take care of the aircraft flight plan, navigation, and plane's position. All right. Current issues with the AI technology. Firstly, is the trust deficit of the system. The unknown nature of how deep learning models predict the output is a cause of worry for the AI technology. All right. And second issues on the AI technology is the data privacy and security. The main factor on which all the deep and machine learning models are based on is the availability of data and resource to train them. The data used by the AI is generated from millions of users around the globe, and there are chances this data can be used for bad purpose. For example, if there happened to be a cyber attack, the personal data of all the users could fall in the hands of everyone on the dark web. The data could include the user's identification information, residential address, and much more. To make matters worse, we are now dealing with a planet size of data, and with this much of information pouring in from all around, from all of the directions, there would be surely be cases of data leakage. All right. And future analytic of AI technology in the aviation industry, we will see a lot more of new AI technology being adapted in the near future, and there are a plethora of possible applications in all aspects of the industry. Few of the new invention that we will see is like the self-piloted airplanes or autonomous aircraft, which was a perceived concept over decades ago. And Airbus has taken initiative to flight to the flight anatomy under their autonomous taxi, takeoff and landing, or in short, ATTOL project. Airbus employs a vision-based automated system to automate the aircraft during taxi, takeoff, and landing phases. Other than that, the usage of digital twins in the manufacturing industry. All right, digital twins is a concept that replicates a real-world object virtually with real-time visibility and is backed by the Internet of Things, sensors, and AI. Right, digital twins allow us to run various simulation and to predict outcomes in dire situation which cannot be recreated in a real-world scenario. Uh, Rolls-Royce is an early adopter of these new technologies, which utilize digital twins in their engine manufacturing plants. Right. Having access to this technology offers the chance to employ preventative engine maintenance, thus avoiding unscheduled ground time times. Also, it can reduce incidents and accidents. Also, many airports all around the globe welcome the artificial intelligence with the sole of intention of improving productivity. Algorithms fed with data such as waiting times, queue lengths, footfall, and many more will predict passenger occupancy of different sections at different times. This will then allow the airport authorities to take action to handle passengers to ease out the congestion. All right. Benefits of AI technology to the aviation industries. There are lots of benefits that the artificial intelligence has brought to the aviation industries. When the jet engine was first introduced into the aviation industries, it achieved a greater heights. And when the fly-by-wire technologies being introduced, it pushed the aviation industry into a historically brisk pace as no one ever imagined. Other than that, airlines industry has also benefited a lot from AI technologies. AI being used in helping airline in managing not only their crew and flight management, but also help in their revenue management and fraud detection. And lastly, for economic relation of AI technologies to the aviation industries, the potential of the AI technologies to be applied within the aviation industry significantly increasing. The AI in aviation market is expected to grow at a high rate by the upcoming year 2025. The AI in aviation market has been segmented on the basis of technology, offering, application, and geography. The growth of AI can be attributed to the huge demand for AI technologies from countries such as China and Japan to increase efficiency of their aviation sectors. And I think that's all for me for this assignment. Thank you.